On behalf of Optimal Media Solution, a division of Times Internet Limited, the Times of India, I, Sabrina, your host for today, is delighted to welcome you all to the 11th edition of the Times Business Awards, Hyderabad. Can we hear it for yourself, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I once again take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 11th edition of the Times Business Awards, Hyderabad. So let us begin today's evening too with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. So without much ado, with your permission, let us call our chief guest for today onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, put your hands together for Shri G. Kishan Reddy Garu, the Honorable Union Minister.
బిజినెస్ అంటే ఒక వ్యాపారం కోసమో లాభం కోసమో కాదు. బిజినెస్ అంటే సంపద సృష్టి. బిజినెస్ అంటే నూతన అవకాశాల సృష్టి. బిజినెస్ అంటే ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్. బిజినెస్ అంటే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అమంగ్ ది పీపుల్. కాబట్టి ఆ దిశలో మీరందరూ విశ్వాసంతో ముందుకెళ్ళాలి. మన దేశాన్ని రానున్న రోజుల్లో అన్ని రంగాలలో అభివృద్ధి చేసుకుందాం. మనము కూడా ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్లో ముందుండాలి. టైమ్స్ బిజినెస్ అవార్డ్స్ ఏదైతే 2025కి గత 11 సంవత్సరాలుగా లాస్ట్ 11 years continuously they are encouraging Hyderabad entrepreneurs. Telangana people, Hyderabad city people, I thanks to the Times of India for encouraging our entrepreneurs. అందుకే టైమ్స్ బిజినెస్ అవార్డ్స్ గ్రహీతలైనటువంటి మీ అందరికీ నా తరఫున కూడా హృదయపూర్వకమైనటువంటి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ అందరికీ వన్స్ అగైన్ hearty congratulations those who are getting awards of Times. Thanks you very much.
Let us begin with the first set of awards. Trusted Developer of the Year, which goes to Honor Homes. Congratulations. I request the founders and directors, Mr. Venkateshwarlu, S. Rajamouli and M. Chaudhary Garu, with Swapna Kumar to please join us on stage to take the award. Congratulations. In the category of Excellence in Ultra Luxury Villas, and the winner is Cyber City Builders and Developers Private Limited for Villa Verde by Cyber City. Congratulations. I request the Director of Cyber City Builders and Developers Private Limited, Sri Vardhan Reddy, to please join us on stage. Congratulations to you. And now, let us call our next awardee in the category of Real Estate Developer of the Year, which goes to ASBL. Congratulations. I humbly request our co-founder and director of ASBL, Anil Kumar Tota, to please join us on stage. For the next category, which is the landmark project in South India, which goes to, without any guesses, I'll agree to this one, SAS Infra for SAS Crown. Congratulations. I request the directors, Dr. Jayasurya and Parikshit G, to please join us on stage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us move on to our next category, which is Innovative Developer of the Year. And the award goes to Anvita Bilpro LLP. Congratulations. I request the director, Anup Bopanna, to please join us on stage and receive the award. Congratulations to you. Let us move on to our next award. Ultra luxury high-rise apartment above 40 floors, which goes to Paulami Estates Private Limited for Paulami Palazzo. Congratulations. I request the head of strategy and sales, Maruti Rao. Let me invite our next awardee for the category of Premium Apartment Project of the Year 2025, which is ongoing right now, which goes to Rubric Constructions for Rubric Tulip. Congratulations. I request the Managing Director, Desharaju Krishna Rao, to please join us on stage to receive your award. Congratulations to you. Excellent Innovative Real Estate Project of the Year. The winner in this category is Vijay Kalpa Developers Private Limited. For Vijay Kalpa Kshetra, I request the Managing Director, Jawaji Dilip Kumar, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations to you. Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen. The category is Residential Real Estate Project of the Year, which goes to Sharwani Ventures and Avenues Private Limited for Shri Hemadurga Paradise. Congratulations. Manaswini Bandi, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations to you. Let me get into the next category, which is Premium Villa Project of the Year, which goes to Krish for Krish Avya. Congratulations. I request the CEO Mithilesh Agarwal, Sales and Marketing Head, Dhananjay Rao, to please join us on stage to receive your award. Congratulations to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, let us move on to our next category, which is Emerging Developer of the Year, Residential, which goes to Arkala Reality and Infrastructure Private Limited. With that loud claps, please welcome the Managing Director, Arkala Praneeth Reddy. Congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category is the Iconic Project of the Year, which goes to Anvita Bilpro LLP for High 9 by Anvita. Congratulations. I request the architect Satyanarayana Mada to please join us on stage to receive your award. Congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us thank G. Kishan Reddy Garu for his time. Thank you so much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, she remains the leading actress in South Indian cinema, admired for a blend of glamour and strong performances. Please put your hands together for the ever ravishing, the epitome of beauty, Kajal Agarwal. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for her?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much, Times Group. It's my great pleasure to be giving away the awards at your Business Awards. And big congratulations to all of you for the phenomenal work that you guys do. You know, the work ethic is actually quite similar. I really haven't found too much of a distinction or disparity in my experience. It's pretty much the language that sets it apart. But the professionalism, the work ethic, the culture, the kind of ethos, what the industry stands for is one big Indian film fraternity. And that's what I take immense pride in. And be it whichever language that me or my contemporaries are a part of, we truly think that it's a matter of great pride and, of course, immense responsibility from our end, but also tremendous gratitude in our hearts. I do think women can balance it out, and I'm sure majority of the women here in the house must be doing a phenomenal job at that, balancing their homes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let me call our first awardee in this session, in the category of Excellence in Landscape Design, which goes to Cyber City Builders and Developers Private Limited for Stonebridge by Cyber City. Congratulations. I request the Head Sales and Strategy Abhishek Bhaiya and the team to please join us on stage. Congratulations to you all. And this award is for the Real Estate Personality of the Year 2025, which goes to Desharaju Krishna Rao from Rubric Construction. Ladies and gentlemen, the Managing Director of Rubric Construction. Let me call on our next awardee, Excellence in Quality and Architectural Design, which goes to Aditya Constructions Company India Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the directors, Sandeep Pagadala and Anirudh Tota, to please join us on stage to receive their award. Congratulations. Let us make way for our next awardee in the category of Excellence in Premium Mid-Segment Home, which goes to Krish for Krish Pearl. Please put your hands together for the CEO of the company, Mithilesh Agarwal, to please join us on stage. Times Business Awards, 11th edition 2025. Congratulations to all the awardees.
Arrangements అన్ని బాగున్నాయి. We Times as a award ceremony, business awards day, we are associated with Times from a long time, and we మా appreciation కూడా ఉంది that they recognize our efforts in our industry of real estate and construction.
Very happy to receive this prestigious Times Award in a row, and we've got this award for being the most trusted brand in Hyderabad in terms of real estate development. We are Honor Homes. We're very proud as a team. Now we are having two projects which are going on, which is Honor Richmond, the ultra uber luxury project, which is happening in the Ideal Road in Green Hills near Kukatpalli, and also Honor Signatus, which is a 28.5 acres project. We've successfully sold our phase 1, and phase 2 is happening very well. And the customers, I think I dedicate this to all the customers who have trusted in the brand called Honor Homes. Thank you so much, Times. And this gives us the responsibility to move ahead more and create more quality products for our customers. Thank you so much.
ఈ టైమ్స్ బిజినెస్ అవార్డు వచ్చినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. యాజ్ అన్నవేత గ్రూప్ జస్ట్ బిల్డింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ హై9 ప్రాజెక్ట్కి ఈ అవార్డు వచ్చినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. డెఫినెట్లీ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత హై9 వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇన్ కొల్లూరు అవుతుందని చెప్పేసి నాకైతే చాలా నమ్మకం ఉంది. యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్కిటెక్ట్, దిస్ ఇస్ సత్యనారాయణ మడా.
To Times Group for giving us this award. It inspires us to do great things. Looking forward to do bigger projects like this. Thank you.
This motivates us to envision many more landmark projects to come to shape the skyline of the Hyderabad. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We'd like to thank Times of India for this recognition for the project. There's a lot of effort and dedication that has gone into this project from our management, the architects, the engineering team. We're proud to receive this and for the recognition that we have received. We thank Times of India once again for this award and recognition.
We are from Sharwani Ventures and Avenues. We are doing a project in Chandanagar, Miapur. It's about 8 acres and 1200 apartments. And I have received an award as a residential project of the year. And I'm very, very honored. I'm very thankful for Times of India. The arrangements were beautiful, and we have a very long relationship with Times of India. And the way they select the awardees and the nominations, they were pretty strict. And I would tell them that they are doing the best within their industry, and all the best for them.
We are very happy to receive this award. So we did lot of extensive research into the limitations of the conventional villa designs, and then Vijayakalpa Kshetra is built on the philosophy-based architectural principles. From the day one, we've been getting lot of encouragement from our clients, and today getting this award is motivating us more actually. This will be really helpful for our future projects. Thank you so much.
I'm Anil from Ashoka Builders. Thank you, Times. Thanks for this award. Yes, we work in the real estate sector. So Hyderabad has got a lot of potential for the good real estate. So because of the great infrastructure we have and the great vision, the compliance systems and the government policies towards this sector. And yes, Hyderabad is now one of the best cities to live in. Wide variety of reasons will influence Hyderabad's growth. And yeah, I'm happy to take this award, and thank you everyone.
Hello, my name is Mithilesh Agarwal. It feels very good, and I'm honored, and thanks to Time for honoring us with this award. Everything has been just fantastic. Everything has been arranged very well, and of course Time is known for it. Be consistent and have your value system right, and be customer centric.
Times of India for giving this kind of opportunity, honoring business like leaders with these business awards. Thank you very much, and very happy to be a part of this great event. Thank you very much.
Very happy, Andy. We have been selected as a best emerging developer of the year from Times. Thanks to the Time Group for selecting us. So we are building a 350 flat apartment in Tukkuguda. So we are a very new company. It's been only 3 years we founded, and we are about to deliver our first project.
This is Murtaza. I represent brand called 60ATM Holidays. We are into luxury travels, and this is superb. This is for the team. We are winning the second year. For last year also we won. It means a lot because Times of India is a big brand, and Times Business Awards matters a lot. So thank you, Times Business Awards, for this recognitions, and we will do better and better in future. Thank you so much.